जो चल रहा है हम दोनों एक
मेरे
बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं आप इनसे तो मिल चुके होंगे मेरे फ्रेंड तो अभी हम सबको ठीक करना है वैसे कुछ करें तो एक एक करके रिव्यू glamour to that people and these two people are there to capture the basic idea behind this that Chitrapati painting is like we want that it should come out and public wear it. Please, my manager, come closer. So she is, want your skin like a baby skin forever. Here for today's event. So also trust and we have to celebrate this together. Like Sudhajan is my close friend. Thank you. Thank you. So now we are everyone got it? Everyone. So on the count of 3 we will the Kohinoor 3.0 regarding the Patrachita, Orissa, the famous art from the Orissa. Please come. Please give her both of them. One of you come this way. Sir, one share. One. Sir, please come this way. So this is the poster launch of Kohinoor 3.0 and the revolution kind of things, and this is a very minimal prices. There is no profits between in that, and you won't believe this is the merely 8 to 10,000 rupees of the 1, 2, 3. Please be closer. Madam, excuse me. Okay. Ma'am,
బ్రదర్ మీ హెడ్ వస్తుంది బ్రదర్. వన్ సెకండ్ లుక్ చెప్పండి. సార్ ప్లీజ్ బీ క్లోజర్, బీ క్లోజర్. బట్ సార్ సార్ లిటిల్ బిట్ డౌన్, లిటిల్ బిట్ డౌన్. Look here, all of you look here. One second, look here.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thank you everyone. Just stay for a while. The desk, so if anybody want to see. ओडिशा के जो पत्रचिट वाले जितने भी हमारे आर्टिजन हैं उन्हें भी भिजवाते हैं, so that they will get one data. And you won't believe the team complete, Kiran ji, Shyam ji, Mohsin ji, उन्होंने भी ये एल्बम्स नहीं देखे हैं. So this is the close. I think we have to give one there. How I mean,
Come on, you would want.
yeah, I would give you, right? So this is an album where all the, yeah, we'll open it, right? We'll open it. So all the motifs and all their painting moves are already copyright in this album. Now, if anybody is like, doing this kind of paintings on big showrooms, if they said that this is our design, they can't say now. From today onward, it is like copyright for this thing. So इससे बड़ा गिफ्ट मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसी भी व्यूअर्स एंड हैंडलूम्स के लिए रहेगा. So तेलुगुलो కొంచెం if anybody can say this thing. So yeah. This is the album.
ఈరోజు ఎంతో ఆనందదాయకమైన దినము. ఇద్దరు సుధలు, ఇక్కడ సుధావాణి, ఇక్కడ సుధా జై, సుధా స్పేర్.
Yeah.
ఇంకా చాలా మంది గొప్పవాళ్ళు, మేధావులు ఉన్నారు. ఆమె చెప్పిన దానికి ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ ఏంటంటే, ఈ రోజు నుంచి ఈ పర్టికులర్ డిజైన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఎవరైతే ఈ కలంకారీ స్కిల్స్ తోటి దీన్ని తయారు చేశారో వాళ్ళకి కాపీరైట్ లాగా ఉండబోతుంది. ఎవరు కూడా ఇది మాయే అని క్లెయిమ్ చేయడానికి లేదు. దాని నిమిత్తమే ఈ ప్రెస్ని పిలిచి డిజిటల్ మీడియా ద్వారా దీన్ని తెలియజేస్తున్నామని చెప్తున్నారు.
Thank you so much. This is the complete write-up about the Kohinoor, complete write-up about the team of Kohinoor 3.0 here. And the last page. And this is about myself, this is about the Patrachitra. And this album, complete album, might be one big company is going to hire this, that is maybe calling as a Heritage Vastralaya. So under that, this is gonna be sell on the platform. So today, Heritage Vastralaya also launched. So thank you so much for coming. Guide us media that shall we just, I think first we did it right. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Okay, ready, sir. Continue.
Yes, sir. Please from your hand, right? Just leave it. So this fabric is like silk, cotton, and this kind of fabric, and the complete painting is done by handmade painting. And the pictures clicked by the Mr. Shyam and Kiran, and the portrait glamour makeup is added by the Mohsin ji.
Okay, sir. Continue.
Just leave it down. Thank you so much for this smile. She's adding to it.
Hey, brother. Engara na?
కాదు
Anna, engara na?
Okay, comfortable, right? Shall I? kindly. Yeah, ma'am. Please. We are waiting for you. Thank you so much. Please, ma'am. Oh, they got two hands, right? Is it okay? You need any help? All these also we need help. Ma'am. Ji, thank you so much for this opportunity. People are feeling so relaxed. It is like a home. So I think all your patients are also like feel home, right?
Madam, look here.
Thank you so much.
Surprise. Hello, sir.
Sir, please hold.
On the way. Sir, once it's set up, please let us know. Is it started?
यहाँ थोड़ी देर और भी सकते हैं। इस शहर के बारे में मुझे तुझसे दूर जाने ही नहीं दे रही। अंकित, प्लीज हम तो वेडिंग हॉल क्यों नहीं रुक सकते?
सॉरी डार्लिंग, मेरे भैया बहुत दिन के बाद घर आ रहे हैं। उनके जाने के बाद फिर से हम आएंगे।
Hello guys, I am Srivalli Daru, founder of Fashion Publications. We are the official magazine partners for this event. And ఇవాళ మనకేంటంటే కోహినూర్ 3.0 అంటే ఏంటంటే ఇది హ్యాండ్లూమ్ శారీస్. సో దీనికి ఫౌండర్ వచ్చేసి మనం డాక్టర్ సుధా జైన్ గారు. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ వెన్యూ వచ్చేసి శ్రీ క్లినిక్స్. ద ఫౌండర్ ఇస్ డాక్టర్ సుధావాణి గారు. సో ఇదేంటంటే హ్యాండ్లూమ్ శారీస్ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తూ అండ్ హ్యాండ్ ప్రింటెడ్ శారీస్ని వీళ్ళు ఇక్కడ కోహినూర్ 3.0 లాగా లాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అదే కాకుండా మనకి ఏంటంటే ఫ్యాషన్ వాగ్ లీగ్ అనే వాక్ ఫ్యాషన్ వీక్ అనేది కూడా లాంచ్ చేయడం జరిగింది, పోస్టర్ లాంచ్. సో ఇందులో చాలామంది పాల్గొన్నారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొన్న వారందరికీ మా తరఫున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతూ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఎవ్రీవన్.
Okay. Hello everyone, this is Sudha Jain, Mrs. India Asia Pacific 2017-18 show coach, model and socialite, and today I am at Sudhavani. Shri Skin Clinic. Sudhavani is the founder for this, and she is a very famous cosmetologist and very much she shared love for the artisan. And today we launched Kohinoor 3.0, which is actually connected with the artisan thing. And this is actually basically connected from the Orissa. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీ అందరు చూస్తున్నాను చాలా sarees ఉంది, cotton sarees, silk sarees, and the paintings done by the Pipli small village in Orissa, these guys. And especially this Kohinoor 3.0 is motive is to copyright the motives done by this artisan. So we launch album also today. From today onwards, they're all copyright is all these motives gonna be copyright, and nobody can say this is art without their permission. And we launched today is Vogue Fashion Week album, which is like registration is open. This is a fashion week, and this is gonna be finale is on 28th of June. So This is open for all men, women and kids. And we launched today here from Hare Krishna production, Jia Jaina Part 3, and which is a emotional series, and which is acted by the Dr. Deepak Rawat and Sudha Jain. And apart from that, I'll again come to the Kohinoor 3.0. Here you can see that the paintings which is done only on the canvas, now it is on textile, and very minimum amount is set up for this kind of saris. It's like highest range of the saris coming as a 15,000, starting from the 5,000, and these saris are available on the Heritage Vastralaya online. And one more thing I want to make you guys notice that ki ikkada mee chustunnanu water kuda we shoot chesindi enduku ante these paintings gonna be stay for the longer time. It is not like that ki okkasari mee बट्टा तड़ी अयिंदी साड़ी खराब हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So I'm trying for the Telugu, but guys, okay, this is fine. Thank you so much media for coming here. Please put a word for this. And I know today Dr. Sudha Jain is whatever is all because of media. Thank you so much for this love. Thank you.